Good morning, students. Children, this is continuation of the lesson 5. Children, take your book, open it at page number 77. See, till second paragraph we stopped last class. I guess that's where the archaeology bug bit me, and I became really interested in the story behind the artifacts. So when we started drawing the artifacts, from that instant onwards, he became really interested. Interested to become an archaeologist and interested to draw artifacts. So slowly I became more interested in the artifacts than I was in doing the drawings. So drawings also he was doing at the same time. He is so much interested in drawing the artifacts. But I have to admit I still do all the drawings on my own digs. So now he is an archaeologist now, so he is doing the excavation on his own. When he is doing the excavation works, if he find any things under the ground, he started drawings. And people asked a second question, what has been your favorite discovery? Anyhow, you found many things, you found many discovery. And what is your favorite discovery? See, I was excavating a trade site on the Red Sea coast of Egypt. So his favorite discovery is a trade site on the Red Sea coast of Egypt. Just to look at that image, Red Sea, yes. See, the reason people had built a town at this particular site was that it's a great trading place. It is a trading place. Near the trading place, we started excavation work. We started digging the ground. So it is a trade place. It's a place where ships would come in. It is a ships. More ships will come and go. So people will exchange their things. People sell their things. People buy their things. They have to cross across the sea. It's a place where ships would come in, but it's so dry that everything preserved. Even though it is a trading place, seashore side, but everything was preserved. Even though it is a dry place. So everything preserved. Preserved means everything saved in a good condition. So when we excavated there, we found the house of a merchant who had been living on the coast waiting for ships to come in. Merchant means for a wholesale trade, for supplying things, supplying goods. So when we excavated, the place, we found the merchant house, who had been living on the coast waiting for ships to come in. So he usually waiting for ships, for selling things, for supplying some goods. And he had warehouses, and there were remains of many of the things that came in and left through the warehouse of his house. And they found the warehouse. Warehouse means it is a large building, or raw materials are manufactured goods, storing places. He had a warehouse, and there were remains of many of the things. They found many of the things inside the warehouse. Some things they took, and they left through the warehouse of his house, and some things they left. Already many years before they left some things. We were excavating this house, and we finished the excavation, and there was a reed mat in front of the house that was still preserved. When they were excavating this house, excavating the warehouse, they found a reed mat. Reed mat, it is a tall-leaved plant. People used to make a mat, so that one. So, in front of the house that was still preserved. They found a reed mat. So still it is preserved. Maybe they kept 700 years before. Children, already we discussed in live class, right? See, that reed mat they kept 700 years before, but now still it is preserved. So, see, this was about a 700 years old reed mat, and we were done with our excavations, and I had taken drawings. More or less we completed our excavation works, and even he started drawings also. He took drawings for everything. I had done drawings of the house, and we had photographed it, and I thought, give me some enthusiastic. A word used to show enthusiasm. It's a shame to leave this reed mat here on the ground. He started drawings also, drawing was over, excavation work also over, and he took a photos, and he thought, so he thought to leave the reed mat. So he started pulling the reed mat. So I pulled it up. And then we made a really interesting discovery. Okay, when we pulled the reed mat, they found a real interesting discovery. Let's see. Okay, underneath the mat there was the key. Okay, there was a house key the merchant had left 700 years ago. Okay, they found the merchant house key. Okay, he kept under the reed mat. Okay, it was 700 years before. He had hidden his key underneath the doormat, thinking he would return one day, and it even had his name written on it. Okay, so he thought, now he died. Okay, he thought he may come again. Okay, so he written on his name. Okay, he written his name on the key and he left. Okay, under the reed mat. Okay, children, I hope you understood. So remaining pages I send you in next class. Okay, children, go through the lessons and you can learn the new word spellings. Okay, there are many new words. You can learn the spellings and you can read and show to your parents. Okay, twice. Okay, thank you, children. Children, page number 79 and page number 80, 81. Okay, so next class I ask you question. You can go through the lessons. Thank you, children.